2008 Jeep Wrangler. The 3.8 liter. Customer had it towed in because it shut off while driving. Fixed some cooling system stuff in it, but then, I test drove it and it was driving fine, but it had a long crank and she really didn't want to look. She didn't really care about that problem necessarily, but went and took a look at the crank sensor under the car. I'll have to just post a picture on it because it's really hard to get the camera to focus just right, because the crank sensor is on the passenger side on the bell housing. So I pulled that up. Wires at the pigtail are all ruined, all messed up, exposed wire. So I was wondering if it was even going to start back up if I plugged it in, but it's actually, there's extended. Is it going to start? No, I did at the very last second. Shit. Nope. Drive them in, push them out, right? Crank sensor sits on the transmission up there, right up in there. Let's see. Wires are splitting open. Well, I'll try to plug it back in and see if it starts again, but there's a good chance it won't. Alright, so here's that connector. That's what the wires on the back side look like. So now, just like that. See if it works. It runs. No codes, no warnings, no misfires. So boys and tires. Should be good to go. I've just been fixing a whole lot of wiring and connectors lately, so always got to do it with the engine in the car. I don't get the opportunity to do it without.